Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Garden provides much needed fresh air in today's pollution filled environment. Garden makes us fit and healthy by providing us a place to practice deep breathing exercise during morning time. Gardening is a bestest hobby and garden helps us in preserving nature and environment by planting various flowers, fruits and vegetables. Garden is the place that helps in relieving the stress as with the gardening our mood uplifts quickly. Garden helps in increasing our compassion and love to nature as we grow and nurture various kinds of plants during gardening. Garden with beguiling flowers and is a visual trait as the flowers are pink in color and are great climber over a fence. Garden helps in bringing sweet fragrance to the house because of the presence of flowers like roses and lilies. Gardening is good for health. Every individual should own a garden. People generally heard a professional gardener who takes care of the garden on a regular basis. Artificial gardens are prepared by garden and designers at the various places across the globe to attract people in large number. Garden provides us much needed fresh air in today's pollution filled environment. To garden makes us fit and healthy by providing us a place to practice deep breathing exercise during morning times. Garden helps us in preserving nature and environment by planting various flowers, fruits and vegetables. Garden is the place that helps in relieving the stress as with the gardening our mood uplift quickly. Gardening is help in increasing our compassion and love of nature.